Yeah, it is.
All right, Lay. Granddaddy long. What is it? A granddaddy long leg spider?
Yeah, that's what she looks like.
I hope she don't hit nobody on the golf cart.
Lily, watch out who people on golf cart.
I better wait.
Go ahead, Lay.
Oh, man.
The man laughing at you. Ooh, all right.
Oh,
Put that back. Brittany has to use it.
I didn't know she wanted to use my peg.
I'm using it too, Lee. Oh, I can't get it in. I can put it in. Okay, here we go. Okay, where am I hitting?
Just
Hard as
that
you
away.
can hit it.
That away. As hard as you can hit it, that away.
The man looking at me. Like pretty. Banana. Here we go. Mobley. Crocodile.
We know Brittany ain't the best doll.
All right, Blake, come on.
Come on, Blake.
Are we gonna drive our golf carts down there?
Yeah.
I ain't walking down there. Yo, I got that in ant. Whoa. Okay, Blake, you poo.
You who? Come on, Bob.
Y'all, how come hers went farther than me and she's like uncoordinated?
She put her butt
Put this
behind.
on.
Like,
Somebody put Blake's ball on.
Here. Cause you gotta, it's not straight. Time, let me go find my ball. No!
No, Lee, stay back.
Okay, ready, Bob? Get out there.
All right, get back, take your practice swing like you're going to kill it. There you go.
You ready? Go, Bucky. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Teach me how to
Hey, that's not bad.
Yes, it is. Way to go, Bucky.